Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to be doing a voiceover. So to start off, I am taking my Deep Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I am priming my eyes with that, and I'm taking my beauty sponge and blending that in. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette, and I'm taking this shade called Zira, and I'm just taking this fluffy crease brush and applying that. And I know I did apply it a little bit too harsh. I think I dipped it in the shade too much. Like I just, roughly dipped it in, and that's why it's applying so harshly. But do not worry about it. I will fix that later. And I am doing the exact same thing on the other eye and blending it out as best as can be. Now I'm taking my Tartelette in Bloom palette from Tarte, obviously, and I'm taking the shade Activist, and now I'm taking this Vasanti tapered crease brush just to define the crease with this shade, and I'm just, going in multiple times until I get the blend that I desire. And as you can see, I'm pressing it onto my outer corner just to begin the halo effect. So yes, but yeah, I am taking that first shade, the brush that I took with the first shade, and blending that out just to make things less harsh. But yeah, just after that I keep going in with this Vasanti brush and blending things in, pressing things down to the inner corner into the outer corner, and just making sure things are blended. As you can see, I'm taking my finger and pressing it down too, because I feel like the brush wasn't giving me the dramatic effect that I wanted, so that's why I'm taking my finger as well. Now I'm taking my NARS Soft Matte Concealer to cut my crease in the shade Amand, and I'm just taking this flat concealer brush to cut the middle of my crease to begin my halo effect. So, yep, here I am cutting my crease just to begin the halo effect. And now I'm taking the shade Smarty Pants just to set the concealer and make sure things are nice and set and mattified. Now I'm going in with the shade Nomad from the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 just to add that nice shimmery rosy pink shade to the middle of the halo effect, or the concealer, whatever you want to say. And now I'm just taking this flat brush and, getting to the areas that I couldn't reach with my finger. Now I'm moving on to this Lorac palette. This is the OG Lorac palette. And I'm taking the shade Champagne and popping that to the very center of the halo. And this is just going to make that effect that it is, bringing itself out. Like, it's hard to explain, but you know what I mean. And doing that same thing to the other eye, and I'm just going to, further blend it out. And yeah. For my lower lash line, I'm going back in with the same shade that I used for my crease, Zira, and I'm just going to apply that to my lower lash line just to add more color, add more pop, add more drama to the lower lash line. And I'm just using this e.l.f. shader brush that I got like, I don't know, 3 years ago. And yes, I'm just going to apply that until I feel that I am done blending. Now I'm just taking this shimmery shade from the Saharan 2, I believe the shade is Hadlin, yes, and just applying that to my inner corner. Now moving on to eyeliner. I'm taking my matte liquid liner as always and starting off with my wing this time. I normally start off with the middle of my eye, like drawing out the line, but I started out with the wing. And as you can see here, I'm just, winging out my liner. Now I'm just taking this Mally Volumizing mascara and just doing my mascara. Nothing special, just mascara, plain old basic mascara. Now for lips, I'm taking the shade E from the Lipland, Lipland matte liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to apply this to my lips like so. And guys, oh my gosh, Lipland, speaking of Lipland, they featured me on their page. Oh my god, never thought that would happen. Thank you, Lipland. But now I am done. This is the completed look. This reminds me of Valentine's Day, and yeah. Why am I talking? I'm at the end card, so let me shut up and say bye. Bye!